Bismillah.
Let's begin!
Quran is my light, shining bright, guiding me both day and night. Read a little, learn it right, Alhamdulillah, my heart feels light. Open up the Quran today, read the words in a gentle way. Every letter, every sound has a reward that can be found. Slow or fast, I try my best. With the Quran, I feel so blessed. Quran is my light, shining bright, guiding me both day and night. Read a little, learn it right, Alhamdulillah, my heart feels light. Stories of the ones before teach me kindness more and more. Truth and patience, Salah, help me be good for Allah. Say Bismillah, Bismillah. Say Alhamdulillah, Alhamdulillah. Read every day. Quran shows me